Hey everyone, I'm heading to the state, guys. I will take you guys along with me and just to show you, and there's a lot to show to you guys. So let's go and explore all together, shall we? On the way to the airport, where I live, it's like 20 minutes away from it, and it's 1 o'clock in the morning. It's pretty dark in the vehicle. We should be arriving shortly at the airport. Alright guys, just made it at the airport. I will take my step and head inside. This is what looked like the international terminal outside. Some of you call Terminal 3. We will head inside in a second. I'm inside the terminal. First thing first, let's get the boarding pass. Alright folks, just got my boarding pass and I'm all set. That's where I'm gonna head in a minute. And those are the different airline counter. And this is it. So this is the international terminal in Riyadh, and we'll see you guys inside. Okay guys, so just past the immigration, so behind, that's where you check it in, and then they scan you and all of that sort of stuff. And I'm inside the terminal now. And, so this is where you the duty-free stops are, and I'm going to show you the inside. And so one of the things, guys, you guys want to make sure to do here in Riyadh, especially if you're heading to the state, you want to make sure to exchange the money here because you get a better rate. But if you do it in the US, then you won't get a good rate. So just have that in mind. I got little cash, so let's do that right quick. So I'm here at the exchange center, and as you guys see, look at the screen, that is amazing. There's no way you get that price anywhere in the world. So this is the place ideally if you got any cash to exchange. Okay, so we'll exchange right quick, and then I will head to grab a quick a cup of coffee. So let's do that. Can I have a one black medium, please? So we're in the waiting area, and just waiting. So maybe we get a more like 1 hour to go. And here we are, just got a coffee, and so the boarding just started, guys, and we're heading to the plane. And I will see you inside. Just made it to the plane, and we're inside, and still the plane is empty. I think there's a lot of people still to come. All right, guys, made it here and heading for the next one. I got 1.5 hours to catch the next flight, so I still got time, but hopefully I will make it on time. Here you have to go for the second screening. It's just how the process is, even you're having connected flight, but they still let you do. Alright folks, so I'm inside the terminal and got done with the screening and all of that stuff. And now we have to find the gate 14 because that's where I'm gonna take my flights from. And we'll head it that way. So let's go and find the gate 14. Along the way, this is where the duty frees look like. Again, I did a comparison. Again, it's just a joke because the pricing that you get here, it's more than the outside when you compare. Alright guys, made it to my gate and folks are already boarding. This is where they check your boarding pass, and then I believe when you get to the second section, which is here, this is where they do a second or the third screening before going to the plane. So they will check all your stuff, whatever you have, and then you have to wait for the plane. And so that's where the plane is. That's big monster waiting for us. So I just got done with the screening for the third time and just chilling here. 20 minutes later, so the boarding started and we are heading to the plane, guys. And this is gonna be a long ride. Let's find my seat. Alright guys, so I'm inside the plane and we got a long way to go. 16 hours straight shot, guys. That's gonna be a long ride. And yeah, so we had a 1.5 hour from Riyadh to Dubai, and then now 16 hours. Made it, folks. After 16 hours, we landed safely here in Houston. It's raining today, as you guys see through the window. Outside the plane, guys, and heading straight to the immigration section. This is a quick look for the George Bush International Airport. So it's going to be a little long clip, but I want to just give you a quick look. You guys can see the airport, what it looked like. I believe this was made in 2015 or so, but it's not an old airport. They did that recently, not long ago. So you get this long hallway and you gotta go straight all the way, and that's where the different immigration sections are. So you do see a lot of people waiting here and there. Now we will take the elevator to go a bit quicker because it's a quite a bit far away. Here's a Welcome Houston sign. And I believe here, this is where you get to get out and do your immigration access. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so heading straight to the counter where you get the... Made it outside, guys, and I'm done with the immigration stuff, and now I'm all set to go. So first thing first, we're gonna pick our luggage, and again, to do this you have to take this elevator and that will take you downstairs. and we will check our luggage, and then we have to go and do the rent-a-car stuffs. Folks, so I got my bag, and thank God this is the first time that I received my bag that quick. Usually I have to wait for a long time, but this time was pretty quick. Okay folks, so we head straight out of the exit door and we will head straight to the rent-a-car place because I have to rent the car and head straight to the hotel. I'm outside the terminal, and this is the outside quick look. Again, it's a raining day today here, and down the terminal, that's where the shuttle goes to the rent-a-car section. It's like a 15 minutes away from the terminal in the shuttle bus, so we'll head that way, and let's see, it's like a 3 minutes away walk. And then there is the shuttle bus come, and I believe they come every 15 or 10 minutes, so there's no issue. It's like 24/7 service. Here I am, that's the yellow bus, just show it up, and that's the bus we're gonna take straight to the rent-a-car place, and hopefully we won't have an issue with a rent-a-car. Again, like I said, the distance between the terminal and the rent-a-car, it's about 15 or 10 minutes in the shuttle bus, and that's the view along. Made it to the rent-a-car section, and here we are. Inside the building, and this is where all the rent-a-cars office are. Again, you have to go downstairs, and let's do that quick. And again, this is all of the rent-a-car, you can name it, it's here. I'm in the line waiting, and it's a long line, guys, to get a car from the budget. And here is the bad news, guys. After waiting 20 minutes here in the line, they don't have our car because they're out, and that's a huge issue because now you can get it from another rent-a-car, but the issue is you may end up with a big price. So ideally, I didn't have the reservation, but here are the tips, guys. You guys definitely wanted to have the reservation. Okay guys, so here I am, guys. It took me a long time to sort the rent-a-car issues, but again, it's just a lesson learned. If you guys wanted to come here or anywhere, you guys want to make sure to rent the car or do the reservation, because I didn't have the reservation, and I had an issue. So budget didn't have a car, and then I went to this another company, this is the company that I rent the car from. So it's just a good car. It's a nice car anyway, but again, you know, when you don't have a proper reservation, you may end up paying more money, which is not a good thing. So let's get out of here, guys, and let's head straight to the hotel. It's a raining day, as I said earlier, and I believe my hotel is like 45 minutes away from the Houston International Airport. That's a long way, but I didn't have a choice. I already booked it, so I'm gonna head straight, and this is what's the view look like. It's pretty, you know, it's a little bit tricky, but you know, hopefully we make it safe to the hotel. So made it to the hotel, and here it is, guys. So I'm here now. I'm gonna check in. This is a quick view for the hotel room that is look like. Alright folks, so here I am, made it safely, and that was a long ride after 16 hours flight straight and 1.5 hours from Riyadh to Dubai. Anywho, it all went well except the rent-a-car issues, but it was all lesson learned. I hope you guys enjoy the tour, and if so, do consider subscribing to the channel for more. I have a lot of or ton of ideas along the way. There's so many videos and so many good stuff that I'm gonna share with you guys. So again, thank you so much for watching and coming this far, and I will see you in the next one.